Here at EDF, keeping our customers and staff safe is important to us. Now that you've booked your smart appointment, we wanted to tell you about what we're doing to make sure we can install your smart meter safely. When you book an appointment for your business online or with one of our advisors over the phone, we'll ask some questions to ensure it's safe for our installer to visit you. This will include making sure that no one at the property is displaying symptoms of COVID-19. We'll call you before your appointment to check if it's still safe for us to attend. Please make sure our installer can easily access the meter. Our installer will wear a face mask during the installation and ask you to stay at a safe distance while they install your smart meter. Where appropriate, they'll ask you to stay in another room. They'll sanitise their equipment before and after use, including any surfaces they've been in contact with. Installations take around 2 hours and your supply will be switched off for 30 minutes per meter, but in some circumstances it could take longer. Shortly after your smart meter has been fitted, you'll receive a handy guide containing energy efficiency advice. Our installer will be happy to answer any questions you might have, but if there's anything you're unsure of after the appointment, visit edfenergy.com/smart4business. We've introduced measures to ensure the safety of both our customers and installers. You can now look forward to the great benefits that come with having a smart meter.